Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can loop a video in VSDC Video Editor. So what you have to do is to select the video and also go to View, Properties window, and also enable Properties window, so we can click on the video and here we'll see the properties of this video, and you can change the properties. And here what you have to do, where you see, and here if you drag the video, okay, so you can have the loop, you only see the last frame pretty much, right? But what you have to do to fix this is to go to your properties and loop mode, look for loop mode, and then here select loop video, right? And now now you set the video to loop mode. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.